Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to tip in Bolt application. Tipping your Bolt driver is a simple process that can be done either during the ride or within 15 minutes after the ride is ended. First of all, open the Bolt application and make sure that you're signed into your account. While you are on a ride, you have an option to leave a tip for the driver. Select the tip amount and change or remove it during the ride as up to 15 minutes after the ride. And the tip will be added to the total ride price. Another way to add a tip is after the ride. After your ride has been completed and when the app asks you to rate your driver with 4 or 5 stars, you will be offered the option to leave a tip as well. Choose the amount you wish to send as a tip and there you will be able to tip your Bolt driver. So that is how it's easily done. You can easily tip your driver both during the ride or after the ride, quickly and easily. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.